morning, student. Today we are going to learn about Java. What exactly Java is? See, Java is an object-oriented programming language. Basically, the mother language of Java is C and C++. Basically, we can say C++ like that. Because Java they have developed on the basis of on the top of C++ like that. Fine. So basically, first of all, to understand Java, we have to understand what is object-oriented programming in that, because Java is a fully OOPS-based language. We know about OOPS means what? Object-oriented programming language. Like that. So Java is what basically it is a OOPS language like that. It is called object-oriented programming language. Fine. So basically, object means what? Okay, in object-oriented programming, we are dealing with object like that. Fine. Means what? Okay, we can create an object. We can create a class and then we can create an object and you can deal with the object later. So basically how Java developed like that, in early 90s there was a company called Sun Microsystem. Now it is merged with Oracle and all like it. So basically Sun Microsystem, they got a one project like that, and this project was related to control the electronics devices like microwave oven and all like it. Fine. So basically that time there were a team called 4, 5, 6 people ka team were there like that, and in that team the James Gosling, Patrick Norton was heading the team like that. So what happened like that, they started doing a project. That time they started doing a project by using a C++. So after a certain period of time they found that they faced with two problems with that. One is what is a platform dependency. And second is what? Called a garbage. Fine. It is a garbage like that. So basically, platform dependency means what? C++ and other language is called a platform dependency. Dependent means what? Platform means what? Operating system. What happened basically like that? C++, if you run on any particular operating system like Windows or Unix or Linux, so you can run on that platform only. That is basically C++ is having like that. That's why it is called a platform dependent language. Now Java is what? Basically a platform independent language. Means what? We can write a Java program on any particular environment, any particular operating system, any platform with that, and we can run that program on different application, different operating system also. So basically they got a two problem. Come to the key point what I was telling you. Generally that time they got a two problem. One is a platform dependency and second is a garbage like that. What is garbage like that? Garbage means what? We know constructor and we know destructor like that. So constructor is what when we allocate a memory area. So we can just allocate a memory area by using a constructor, and we can deallocate by using a destructor like that. So in a C++ as a programmer, you are not free. You have to at the end of the program, whatever the memory you have allocated, if you feel that memory area is no longer in use, so you have to deallocate it like that. So that is a problem. It's not problem, but it is a general practice like that. You have to allocate a memory area and then you have to deallocate it like that. But so Java this and what is the garbage like that? First we have to understand what is the garbage. Suppose we have defined one class like that. Suppose we have defined one class, a stack A, and we have an object of stack A like that, the object of a stack A class, and then we have a stack B, and this is a stack B is an object of a class. So what happened like that? When you create an object, so a certain memory got allocated like that, and in that particular memory, this a stack A is allocated in 101, and this stack B is allocated in 102 like that. So what happened like that? This stack is pointing to this memory location and stack B is pointing to this memory location. Suppose further I am writing here stack B equals to stack A. Means what? This is stack B which is pointing to here, it will start pointing to this place. So this location is called a garbage. So we have to understand what is garbage like that. This area is garbage. So what you have to do like that? key you have to deallocate this because if no longer in use later, so you have to deallocate in for the future. You have to deallocate this memory area, and for that you have to use a destructor. Now when you come to Java later, so Java support a constructor means what? You can allocate a memory area in Java. There is no need to deallocate it because Java provides one feature called auto garbage collection. So internally, generally what happens, Java's runtime system will deallocate its memory. Suppose if you have so many memory areas, this is the memory area like that. So Java runtime system feel that this memory area is no longer in use, so it will automatically deallocate it like that. So that is like, thank you, Chuck. Thank you, Chuck.